it's me. And today we're going to make this decorated corkboard picture holder thing. I gotta work on the names. So all you're gonna need for this craft is some corkboard, cardboard in the same size, Mod Podge, a lot of paint in any colors that you want, some masking tape, push pins, picture hanging strips, paintbrushes, and as always, a glue gun, and some pictures. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is take your masking tape and make some designs on the corkboard. Alright, so the next step is to paint it. So I'm going to try to get some pastel-y colors. Not sure if that's a word, but we're going to go with it. Okay, so mainly white in most of these colors. I'm going to try and not repeat any colors also. But that's going to be hard because there are a lot of spaces on that corkboard. This craft is really easy and fun and good to do whenever you're bored. Because if you're like me and you have way too many pictures, it's a great way to display them. You got some paint. Way too much paint, but better than not enough, I guess. I love painting on masking tape. Because it looks so clean when you take it off. Ooh, I like that pink. Okay. Okay, so this is day 2, and my corkboard is totally dry, so I'm just going to peel off the tape now. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm really happy with it. So the next step is totally optional, but I think it seals in the paint a little bit better. So it's just to Mod Podge it. I'm going to take that step. If you're wondering, Mod Podge does dry clear, no matter how thick you put it on. This is how it looks before, and I'm going to let that dry. Mod Podge is now dry. It looks shiny from some of the, and so it's basically done now. All we're gonna have to do is glue on this backboard and it'll be done. So I'm gonna let the hot glue gun warm up. Okay, so the last step is just to take a little bit of hot glue and put it on each of the corners of your cardboard. So just right there, and the other 2 corners. And then you're just gonna place your corkboard right on top of it and make sure they line up. And if your cardboard is not the same size as your corkboard, you should cut it to the same size before you glue it on. And so I'm just going to push down on each of the corners to make sure that it's steady. And move it around if you need to before it's dry. So the final step, it's optional, but if you're going to be hanging it on the wall, then it's probably a good idea. You want to take your wall hanging strips I'm sure there's a better name, but I'm not aware of it. And put them on the back. So just take your strips and peel off the back. This part is always so hard to just get the back layer. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then stick it onto the top corner of your board. And then do the same on the other side. Ugh. Just come off. Okay, there we go. And alright, and then to hang these, you're just going to put these two other strips and stick them right onto there. And then you peel off the back right there, and you obviously stick it onto both sides. And then you peel off the back and stick it onto the wall. And so that way, if you want to take it off, all you have to do is just like unstick it, and this will stick to the wall, and this will stay on this. So that's really great. Okay, so it's a picture board, but there's no pictures. So I'm just going to take my little pop-in pins. I love pop-in, it's really great. And just stick some pictures on there. So this is the finished product. It's so cute, and I love how you can like personalize it, like paint it your own way and put your own pictures on it. And it is so easy. It took me like 25 minutes to maybe like make the whole thing, and like 2 days of waiting for everything to dry. But it's really fun, and it's super cute, and I just love it. So that's it for this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.